In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Afterpay with Stockx. If you've ever wanted to split a sneaker or streetwear purchase into manageable payments, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to check out with Afterpay on Stockx from start to finish, with a few tips to keep everything smooth. Start by heading to stockx.com and logging into your account. Having an account ready ensures your saved details and preferences load correctly, which makes checkout faster. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Next, search for the sneakers or item you want and select the correct size. On the product page, decide how you want to buy. Buy now is an instant purchase at the current lowest ask, while placing a bid lets you name your price and wait for a seller to accept. If you choose to bid, you won't select Afterpay until that bid is accepted. Afterpay becomes available only once the order is ready to be processed. When you're ready to move forward, either proceed with buy now or wait for your accepted bid to trigger checkout. On the review screen, carefully look over your order details. You'll see the item price, the processing fee, shipping costs, and any applicable taxes. Double-checking these totals helps you understand exactly what will be split into your installment plan. On the payment screen, choose Afterpay as your payment method, then continue. If you don't see Afterpay, try a few quick fixes. Switch between desktop and mobile, confirm that your country or region supports Afterpay on Stockx, and make sure your total doesn't exceed Afterpay's spending limit. Availability can vary by location, platform, and order amount. You'll be redirected to Afterpay to complete payment. Log in or create an account if you're new. Review the pay in 4 plan details. Your purchase is split into 4 equal payments. The first installment is charged right away, and the remaining 3 payments are scheduled every 2 weeks. Make sure your chosen card or payment method has sufficient funds for the initial charge, then confirm the payment to continue. After confirmation, you'll be sent back to Stockx, where your order will show as confirmed. From there, Stockx follows the usual process. The seller ships to Stockx for authentication, and once verified, your item is sent to you. Keep an eye on your order status in your account and watch for email or app updates. That's all you need to use Afterpay with Stockx confidently. Enjoy your pickup and your split payments, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.